WatchGuard Wi-Fi Cloud access points run the radio side of your network. Purple adds the guest layer on top, the captive portal, the sign-in journey, and the first-party data you collect. Purple is a cloud overlay. Your WatchGuard access points keep running the Wi-Fi. Purple runs the guest experience through an external splash page with radius authentication. WatchGuard moves the packets, Purple owns the sign-in and the data. First, add Purple as a radius profile with primary and secondary entries for resilience, on ports 1812 for authentication and 1813 for accounting. Second, set up the guest SSID profile to redirect devices to your Purple splash page, with a walled garden so the page can load. Third, add the guest SSID to the radios in your device template so the network is broadcast. The exact configuration lives in Purple's support guide. Start at purple.ai